These are the elevators at Macy's, Galleria, Dallas. These used to be like Schindler Houghton, but Kone modernized them back in 2017. That's the ice rink at the Macy's. That one's broken when they got modernized. I think that one over there was broken. They left one broken the other time when when Kone modernized them. Over there is the Macy store. I'm going to the store connector. And here's this. Ooh, no more people. Let's go to the rink level. Rink. Over there's the ice skating. 6, 5, 4, 3. Go 3.
Third floor.
It talks. We'll end at 1. And we'll get the other car.
First floor.
I'll just send this to 3 and to get the other one. These are these are Schindler, these are kone. That used to have a lowercase r. Here, we're stopping at 1. Going up? Which floor?
2, yeah.
I'm just an elevator photographer. I don't mind getting you on camera. Here. How about I tell you? You're over there at Macy's. We'll end at 2. These are kone. Here are 2.